I was running the rig tonight out there. You can see it's, well, that's me. Well, look at that. Huh. Well, we'll have to go back down here. Anyway, so you can see here I've got this magic thing. It's called a turn signal flasher, and it's basically a thermostatic switch. Here's mine that I had in here, and you'll find that sometimes when you go to use the turn signal, your turn signals will either stick on or in some cases won't even turn on. Usually what's symptomatic when one of these is going bad. And this is right on your fuse block. If you got a Chevy Allegro or any mid-80s Chevy, this is just the round silver thing that's plugged into the top of your fuse block that you've got. And what it does is got a thermostatic switch that basically curls up when it heats up, and then as it cools down it goes back again, and it keeps doing that like this and turning the circuit on and off. Eventually it breaks, and I just started up the rig tonight, and the turn signals would just, after I did all that work on the turn signals, when I hit the turn stalk, it would just stay on. You had to like click it on and off manually in order to, you know, get the thing to flash. And then after a while, when I pulled this out and I fiddled with it and stuck it back in, it would blink like really super slow. And then I messed with it some more, and I must have finally broke that little piece of metal off that's inside for the switch, and it wouldn't even come on at all. So as you can see here, they're not inexpensive. Okay, they're like $6, $7. If you're in an Allegro, it's got that little hatch cover in the dashboard. You could totally it's just a little, take your two fingers, pull it out. It's got like an idiot proof set of plug-ins here, and you can just put it back in and it should work just fine for you. And I'm gonna go to the store and get one and put it in and test it out, see how it works. Too bad I didn't do a video of it being stuck on, but that's the way it goes sometimes. Okay, here we are outside of Advanced Auto Parts, and we're gonna go inside and get ourselves a new my wife is like, what are you doing getting one now? I said, well, I want to make sure that the RV's running good, so I'll be right back. Don't want to record anybody crazy. Got me the part here, and yeah, that's looking at all the goodies here, and I don't think I can get those, but I think I might get myself any engine cleaner, blah blah blah. There's so much stuff here. Guess I could use carb cleaner, but I think I'm about done with that. So octane booster, maybe? No. This octane booster? No. If I put that in there, would it blow the freaking carburetor? I don't think it's gonna do that. So I think I'm gonna pick up some 2 for $14. Right, maybe I'll do that. Pick up some seafoam. Yeah. There we go. We'll do that. Gonna get that. All right, cool.
What's the phone number?
Phone number is, there we go. Alrighty. All right, let me get the thing out here. All right, that's with the seafoam?
Yep.
All right, cool. Do that. Tell me when you're ready.
Ready.
All right, let's put that in there. Bingo, bango, Dodge Durango. Look at all the stuff here, man. It's trying to get me fat again with all this stuff on the under the counter. Kit Kats. Yeah, got out here with my stuff. People are still pulling up to McDonald's. Look at that, chowing down on all that McDonald's food. Yeesh. You could have it. I'm trying to lose some weight here. Anyways, back to the homestead. Back to the homestead. Get out of here. Get back to the RV. Green light. Turn signal switch works. That's good. Whee! she is. So we're gonna pull in right here. Put that starter relay in. Check it out. Exactly. Doesn't really, it's kind of an angle, but at least it fits in there. At least I feel it does. I don't know. It seems kind of weird. I feel like it fits like it should. That's a little better. There, that fit in there. Yeah, this is the gaggle of wires that I really would like to try to sort out. Anyways. We got it running, so I'm going to turn on the signal switch, but I'm going to turn the lights on first. Just so I've got some lights here. Do that. And as you can see, the signal light turns on. As you can see, that's how that's supposed to work. So that's pretty good. I'm gonna do the other side real quick. And check the front. Idle's a little low, but there you go, there's that side. Let's check the other side, make sure. Gonna give her a little blip. Vacuum's a little low, but that's all right. But it looks like it's blinking there on that side. And as you can see here, ooh, gotta do a little body work there. Gotta clean that up a little bit. Although it looks like I've got blinking lights on both levels here on this one. I'm gonna have to take a look at that because I don't think that one's supposed to be blinking. I think just the two lowers are supposed to be blinking. It's always something goofy. But that's okay, I'd rather have two blinking than just none. And as you can see here, so yeah, I've got some crazy wig wax going on in the front. I'll have to fix that upper one. That's in the engine compartment. But anyways, yeah, so there you go. Not too shabby. Just a little $6 signal switch. And she's fixed. Quick fix.